Hi everyone. In this session we will discuss about the standby logs of physical standby database. If we want to use the Oracle real-time apply feature, so we need to enable and add the standby log in our physical standby database and primary site. In this mode, Oracle will send any changes will occur at the primary site, send to the standby log and apply this log to the physical standby database. So if we add standby log in our primary site and our physical standby site. So after this, whenever any changes perform at our primary database, Oracle send this changes to our physical standby database and then apply these changes in our physical standby database. So this is a real-time apply. As we know, we have a three mode of replication in Oracle database. First is maximum performance, second one is maximum availability, and last one is maximum protection. So real-time apply feature will be enabled in our maximum performance mode, and there will be no any delays at our primary site due to this mode. If any disconnection occur at our primary site, so Oracle will use the archive file to synchronize our standby database. So now let's start how we can do this activity. Hi, in this session we will to practice on how to create the standby logs. So we will create the standby log on the primary side, standby log on standby side. So just recap, we have already discussed in our theory class what the standby database, what is the standby logs. So standby logs is used to implement the real-time apply in Oracle. Okay. Okay. So basically the redo data is comes from primary store in the standby log side of standby database. Then this data applied to standby database to sync it with primary. So let's start how we implement this in our environment. Okay, these are some commands we will use during these sessions. Okay, so let's start. I have opened SSH Windows. Okay, okay, so I have one primary database and two standby databases. Let me show you. So first we check the role of our databases. This is physical standby, this is also physical standby, and this is my primary database. Okay, let's perform switch auto system switch log file. Okay, so let me show you why we need to create standby log files. Okay, this is my standby database. Okay, I just open this database in read only mode. Auto database recover manage standby database, cancel. Okay, recovery is not running currently. Okay, so I just open this database and read only. Okay, also open same this database also on read only. Recovery also not running over there. Okay, and then execute auto database recover managed standby database disconnect from session. Okay, I start the managed recovery. I start managed recovery on this standby as well. Okay, I'm going to start over there. Database recover managed standby database disconnect from session. All right. Okay, let me copy this form here and there. Okay, let me perform switch auto system switch log file. Okay, so check my both sides are sync. I'm just creating a scenario for you, then I will show you why we need to create the standby logs. Okay, my both sides are sync. Okay, let me create a user. Create, oh no, only table table 3. Okay, id number, okay, comma name varchar 2 then 100. Okay, before creating this table I just select static from table 3. Okay, shows table view doesn't exist. Okay, now I just create this table, create table. Now execute this command, still same message is coming. Okay, let me insert into this values name, okay, Amir. Okay, commit. Let me show again. Same. This table is not replicate to my standby sites. Okay, why? Because there's no any log switch occur on my primary site. When the log switch occur on the primary site, the archive file will generate and the archive file will copy to a standby site and then apply by the use of managed recovery process. Then this archive file will when successfully apply on the standby sites, then we will able to see this table on my standby site. Okay, so that is a delay. Archive generation, archive copy, then archive file apply. So how we can reduce this delay without impacting our production database? Okay, so let me show you first. Do this manually. Okay, auto system switch log file. All right, log file is switched now. Let me execute same command. Now tables can be viewed on this side. You can see that I have to execute auto system switch log file, or whenever log switch occur in the database, the data will be replicated to my standby sites. So we have to decrease, we have to minimize this delay. Okay, so let's create the standby logs. Okay, I choose standby logs 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me show you one thing. Select group number from $log file. Okay, we have last group number is 6. Okay, again this is my primary, so all last number is 6. That's why I choose 7 for the 7 group number for the standby logs. Okay, so I use alter database, add standby log thread 1 group 7, because this is the single instance database, so thread 1 is okay. If I don't write thread 1, it automatically add in the thread 1. Okay, just execute same on my primary side. Okay, what the number? Okay, says, I think says invalid file name. Okay, let me check the path. And execute again, same issue. Now execute the command, copy this command, paste, auto database, add standby logs, and I use slash archive redo standby log some path. Okay, execute this command. Okay, now we are going to create the standby logs. These are the commands for creating the standby logs. Copy this, okay, notification, Okay, the size used is 100 MB. Okay, now standby log 7 has been created. Now create 8 group 8 and use standby 8. Okay, standby 2 dot log. Okay, size would be same. Okay, think I missed something. Okay, single quote, size 100 MB. Okay, standby 8 also created. Let's create standby 9. Okay, three dot log single quote bracket size 100 m semicolon. Okay, okay, size 100 m. Okay, so I have created 3 standby log file. So as per the rule, we have to create 1 plus relog file on a standby. Let's suppose if we create 3 standby logs on the primary, so we have to create 4 standby logs on the standby side. Okay, got my point? So we have created 3 standby logs on the production environment. So let's create same standby logs on my standby side. Just copy this command exactly. Okay, currently recovery is running. Okay, so I have to cancel the recovery auto database recover managed standby database is cancel. So database recover managed standby database cancel. Okay, now execute same command again. It's created. Now execute standby log 9. Okay, and forgot to execute standby log 7. Okay, this is my 7. Okay, no worry, we can change the sequence. Okay, first we add standby 8 9. Okay, now we have to create one more standby log on the standby side. Okay, so use the same command group 10 Okay. Standby 4.log single quote size 100 m. Now let's create it. Okay, let's create same on my standby one side. Before this, we have to cancel the recovery. Okay, then again add auto database this command, add. Okay, use this, use this one, and last one is this. Okay, so we have successfully created the standby logs on standby side, both the standby side and also on my primary side. Okay, let's clear. This script just check the standby log status. Okay, sign. Okay, sign and unassign. Okay, if you see there, these are also showing unassigned, unassigned. These are there. These also showing 3 standby log file there. Okay, so let's start manage recovery over there. I first use alter database recover managed standby database using current log file. Okay, I use this command and this connect from session. Okay, auto database recover manage standby database using current log file, disconnect from session. Okay, let's execute it. This managed recovery will use current redo log file for synchronization. Okay, I execute same command on there. All right, let's perform total system switch log file. Okay, if you see the alert log closely, the new thing appear in our alert log. This is standby logs. Recovery online relog thread 1, reading mem 0, 0 and the standby log 2. Okay, there's a difference in the alert log. I'm seeing we are able to see this in our alert log. Okay, So now let's show you the difference. Okay, let's see what the benefit we achieve after enable the standby DD logs. Okay. First, let's check status of synchronization of our standby database. See, no worry about this issue, which is the control file auto backup. Okay, this issue can be removed. If you create, it's unable to create the auto backup of control file. So no worry about this. Let's okay. Because the directory is not currently over there. I just create mkdir because we change the directory on a backup at the standby side. Okay, so we can remove this backup. Rmain target show all. Okay, yes, this is the backup location. Backup standby. Okay, we have this location. So target show all. The change auto control file backup path. Like this. Use %f. Okay, so now this issue will not come again. You see over there, this issue not come over there. Okay, auto file backup file, because this standby database I have the backup/backup path exists. Okay, so let's move over topic. Okay, so second one is check the standby log synchronization status of other primary sites. Okay, so my primary and standby side are sync. So let's check what the difference. Let's create a table test 20, then ID number. Okay, comma varchar 200. Okay, before inserting, just select this table right there, select 20, table view does not exist, and execute same over there, table view doesn't exist. Okay, Now let's create this table. Oh, I use create table. Okay, watch your create table. Tell something number. Okay, don't forget the column name. Okay, now table has been created. Let's select this table here. You see there. Let me insert a data also there. Insert into test. Okay, values. Amil. Okay, let's commit it. You see the difference. We don't need to perform any auto system switch log file. Okay, it's not wait for the log switch. So it's the real-time replication. I just commit on my this side. The data is synchronized real-time from my redo to production standby redo log files and then apply to database. So that's the difference. Why we use standby log files. So it's a very good feature. So standby log files